Friends, how are you from our team? Account management service available now. Broker type any as you wish with fast execution. Leverage 500 plate farm mount 5. Profit sharing 50%. You can contact us via Telegram. Thanks.
This is our weekly Forex forecast of next week. So this is a daily chart look here. Really base drop with British engulfing supply area. Market breakout with long bullish engulfing below. Look here, resistance becomes support. Trend line market for time touch the trend line 1-2. 3-4. And this point understand really base drop supply area. High higher, high low, lower low QM. This is our supply area and same as front. We look here really base really demand zone. So we have two options as a last night market. Sell move very sharp. Look here. This is our supply area and this is our really base. Really demand zone with initial break. So we expect if market breakdown. Up low below the blue candle. So then we accept. Expect market retest this area and then go up. But market closing nearly the bullish candle. So we not expect market will go down again. So we expect resistance become support. So our next target is same. We apply here Fibonacci because market breakout. This supply area with bullish candle. So we apply here Fibonacci and hour. And we set it high to low. So look at next target at 4.791. So our next target is this. We already uploaded a video about gold will crash in 2026, but it's sure it will crash. But now currently trend is bullish. Now we look H4 H1 chart. This is our HE chart. And this was our major base area. With bullish engulfing market created higher high. So this was our really base, really demand zone.
Hello my dear friends, how are you? Our team has sent you the complete detail. You can join any of our VIP Gold Signal subscription with full discounts. Thank you. You can contact us via Telegram and via mail.
Market again created high. Higher high, so market mid here high high low. Lower low draw base really QM zone look here. This was our support area and this was our draw base. Drop supply area market break. Market closing up of the supply area. So we apply here Fibonacci and now this area was very strong for buy. So we take entry by market again breakout high. But our target was this. So we not expected market will go down. Because look at the line chart. Market not closing the down of this base area. Market again. Close up of this price. I respect this demand area. So we expected this. Spike is for SL hunting. Because here are all set up telling us market is buy. So now this is our drop base, drop supply area, and when market open on Monday. SO when market close. Blue candle above this supply area. So we apply here Fibonacci and out this area will be demand zone. Really base, really SNR. So our next set will be this. Closing up. And when market retested this SN are really base. Really bullish engulfing demand zone. So we take entry buy in this area. And our target will be next this area. We apply here 3 types and 3 zones. Different type Fibonacci first target for 6, 79. Here we look first target for 6, 44. Then next second target 4, 68. RN this also 4, 68. To this target same. So this was our reversal area. Anyway, our first target is 4, 643 and our second target is 4, 680. Thanks. Are from our team. Account management service available and you can join out different type subscriptions. Also with discounts, thanks.
Hello my dear friends, how are you? Our team has sent you the complete detail. You can join any of our VIP Gold Signal subscription with full discounts. Thank you. You can contact us via Telegram and via mail.